class. I am Professor Bosco from BCA department. Today we are going to see about PHP loosely typed language. Why PHP is called as this name? Because in PHP you need not to mention what type of data you are going to use before telling to the program. So example, if you are using integer variable, you need not to declare a variable name as integer. So integer is converted automatically based on your value. You need to declare a variable, that's it. You need not to mention what type of variable here. But in previous years, long back, when they've introduced computer languages, they wanted to know what type of data, what type of variable they're going to use in the program, because memory is that much costly. In the older days, memory is very much important, but nowadays memory is very cheap and we are using it as per our convenience. But in older days, memory is very expensive, so we need to tell the program that we are going to use this type of variables, this type of values, this type of memory is needed for each and every variable. But in modern days, there is no need to tell what type of variable you are going to use. When you give a value, based on the value, the variable is declared automatically. So if you are going to give some string value, the variable will be converted into string variable. When I am going to give some float data, float type of data, which means a dot followed by some values. Example 10.7 is a float data. So 10.7 is a float data, but I am not going to declare my variable name as float. So I just declare a variable, my variable name equal to 10.7. So based on my right side value, that is 10.7, my left side variable name is converted automatically. So you need not to mention directly which type of data you are going to use. So that is the main advantage of using PHP. That is how it is called as loosely typed language. So all data types are taken automatically without any explicit declarations. So this is a modern day language. If you take Python also, you can have some declarations. This is converted automatically. So in Java, you have to mention this type of data you are going to use. So you cannot directly give a variable data types directly. So you have to declare a variable, you have to assign value. So that is how it has to go in Java. But in PHP, it is allowed that you can have a variable with a direct value. So based on the value, the variable will be converted. So if you are giving string data, the variable will be converted to string. Example, so I'll type here. So dollar my age, example, my age. So my age is a variable name. So I am going to give 45. So this is integer variable. So I did not declare my age as integer, but based on my right side value, that is 45, this age is converted into integer type. This is how it is called loosely typed language. What type of data is given in the right side will be converted into the left side value. Example, if I am giving 45.7, so 45 years 7 months, just I am mentioning it as. So 45.7, this data is converted into float data, or I declare another variable, so we will understand. So dollar temperature, I give temp, temperature is 28.7. So now outside temperature is 28.7. So like this, the data is changed. So I want to give some name. N equal John. So John is a string variable. So basically